I'm going to review about the best car vacuums on the market. We may not get a chance to change the price mentioned in the video, but what we can do is we always provide links in the following description of the video from where you will be able to find the updated prices of each product mentioned in the description. So if you look for the up-to-date price information, just make sure of watching the video till the end and click on the link to find out the current price and which product will be the best for you. At number 1. BLACK+DECKER CHV1410L Cordless Vacuum. Disassembly of certain parts of this vacuum is quite easy for better maintenance. The dirt bowl is translucent and bagless, so users can see the dirt level. The dirt bowl is easy to empty and is also washable. The cleaner is lightweight and runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The battery takes about 4 hours to charge, but can also retain its charge for up to 18 months. It also has a strong suction for an improved cleaning. An issue common to certain users is with the battery or charger. At number 2. Eureka EasyClean Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Although this is a handheld vacuum, it also features a riser visor technology. This allows the cleaning of vertical upholstery and stairs. A crevice tool is available on the hose of the cleaner for cleaning between tight spaces like furniture cushions. This cleaner is excellent for use in cleaning a car. It is available to fit into tight corners and get to various nooks and crannies within the vehicle. It is easy to use, strong suction, and a long power cord. The only issue is that this cleaner does not feel very durable. At number 3. Armorall AA255 Vacuum. This lightweight cleaner is very portable and comes with a handle which makes it easy to carry around while vacuuming. A deluxe car nozzle and crevice tool are available, which gives this cleaner an advantage when cleaning the interior of your car. On the cleaner, there's a dedicated accessory storage, which also makes it easy to store the cleaner after each use. It has a 2.5-gallon storage tank with an auto shut-off feature. The power cord of the cleaner is 10 foot long, which is essential since you cannot plug it into the car. We have embedded links to the product in the description below, so you can check it out. That would be all for this video. If this is your first time in this channel and you are looking for more information and details about specific products, then start now by clicking on the subscribe button so you don't miss anything in the future.